Extreme flooding in southern Indiana is causing major problems at a state recreation area. We're talking about Deem Lake and Starve Hollow. These photos showing severe flooding you can see covering most of that entire beach area. The recreation area will be closed to swimming for the time being, with boat rental operations also closed. No word yet on a timeline for reopening. Of course, a tough time with Memorial Day, so I'm sure they probably are usually pretty busy this weekend.
Yeah,
well, that and the Borden Strawberry Festival being canceled due to flooding.
Yeah.
And we've seen the opposite problem in some of our Kentucky lakes.
Some drought.
Being too low.
Yeah.
So it's really been feast or famine, unfortunately, and we have more rain that's rolling in. Thankfully, it's hitting some of those drought-stricken areas. That's what we're seeing this evening and tonight, but we have to watch for more flooding instances as well. If we get training, some of those showers and storms, especially the heavier ones, moving over the same areas. So spots around Louisville and off to the north and east included in a flood watch until 5 o'clock tomorrow morning. This evening, with our severe weather threat, we've been watching for any kind of areas of rotation. Thankfully, wind speeds haven't been all too high, so anything we've seen so far has been very weak throughout the day. No warnings therefore issued for them, but we'll keep a close eye on that radar through this evening for you. And then for the upcoming holiday weekend, rain chances look to be more scattered. Today was definitely more of the washout kind of day where we had rain pretty much throughout the entire day on Friday. But for Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, you'll get plenty of dry time still in here between the rain chances. Saturday, your best chance will be first thing in the morning with some lingering showers, maybe a couple of storms there, but drier conditions are expected for the afternoon and evening. Sunday, we could have some scattered afternoon and evening activity. Monday has been trending a little bit drier on the latest model data. Definitely if you live in Indiana, better chance for rain will be in Kentucky, but even that doesn't look to be as substantial as previously thought. But then we do get more surges of moisture by Tuesday and Wednesday. Lingering rain chance on Thursday, and then we try to dry out by the end of next week. Your drought monitor here, though, this is what we were talking about, with drought conditions continuing to worsen, especially south of the parkways here. So a good chunk of southern Kentucky, central Kentucky, even over into eastern Kentucky, included in extreme drought as of the latest update of the drought monitor, which is released every Thursday. Max HD radar here, though. It's a soggy evening commute all around the Louisville metro. This is starting to nudge northward into southern Indiana. Thankfully, the intensity has decreased as it continues to push off to the north because it's losing out on that storm fuel. You have more storm fuel down to the south where conditions have been warmer today, but down to the south, you'll notice more showers and storms lifting northward and then a bit of a break. That's what we're seeing here in south central Kentucky. To the south of that, more storms that are packing a punch and tapping into a little bit of that rotation. That's what you're seeing near Cookeville there. That is the one tornado warning, though, that we have in the region right now. Your hour-by-hour futurecast through this evening, this slug of rain continuing to lift northward. We'll watch for any kind of those storms that could cause some flash flooding concerns or any kind of rotation concerns. Heading into tonight, your rain chances start to drift off to the northeast. It takes a lot of that moisture out of here, so coverage becomes a lot more spotty. That could take us into Saturday morning. Then, as I mentioned, you should get some dry time for your Saturday afternoon, maybe some peaks of sunshine with clouds breaking apart. High temperatures tomorrow will be in the 70s, so near normal, if not below normal, for this time of year. On Sunday, more scattered showers and storms are possible by the afternoon and evening with highs in the lower 80s. Similar case for your Memorial Day. More rain on the way for Tuesday and Wednesday of next week, becoming spottier by the end of the week with high pressure trying to nudge in by Friday. And a reminder, with, of course, all the rain on the radar right now and the rain chances through the holiday weekend, you can stream the live radar 24/7 on the WHAS 11 Plus app, which is free to download on your smart TV.